So, traders, on today's video, we are going to be updating you guys based on how the markets have been moving for the past 2 days and what we might look to experience for the coming 3 days, which is Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. But if you have checked out our midweek, our weekly trading outlook video, then you might get the picture or an insight into what we have anticipated based on this week on three trading pairs that we're always working on, which is nasdaq, gold, and usdcad. But before we get ahead on the video, like on the video, subscribe to the channel, share the video, leave a comment on the video, click that link to sign up with the broker that I trade with and highly recommend. And I ask that you follow our crypto page, our crypto page, which is Crypto Wing with King COT. We will be sharing everything crypto, from possible setups, from possible directions, from when to buy, when not to buy, and what we might look to experience based on the crypto markets. Without further ado, guys, let me just share to you guys what we might look to experience and what price might look to do for us based on our midweek update. And first pair that we're going to be working on is nasdaq. And as you guys understand, that what we shared on nasdaq on our weekly trading outlook was very simple. We stated and left a trade idea that all we're going to be focusing on for the week is very simple. We're either going to be looking for price to be bullish if we trade above our zone, or be bearish if price trades below. So it happened that market opened on Monday, price traded below our very same zone until we had positive geopolitics that led price into doing what, into trading above our very same support zone. So as you can clearly see, that price had a break below and gave us a break above and a retest above. All we're now going to be focusing on is to see what price giving us continuations to the upside, only if price will violate this intraday highs, right? Because price printed out those intraday highs, right? So if it happens that price violates our intraday highs, then we are going to look forward for those continuations to the upside. Or if you're going to look to be bearish, then I guess price might still give us a break below our zone, or a break below off of our previous low that price has printed out, so we can look for those moves to the downside. But I remain positive on one thing: price gave us a breakout. Price gave us a breakout of a forward of our support, and price gave us a break above of our support. And with a break above of support, price gave us a retest above of our very same support. So all we're focusing on is for price to give us a break above our wood, a break above our previous highs in correlation to price, giving us obviously those moves to the upside. Or if we're looking for price to be bearish, then I guess price might give us a break below of our support and a break below of our low that price has printed out, so we can look for those moves to the downside. And that's what we're going to be focusing on nasdaq. But without further ado, second pair, which is gold. And all I'm just gonna say on gold, it's just to simply keep it simple to you guys, because we did live in anticipation on our weekly trading outlook. You can go check it out with just the previous videos that we've uploaded before this current video. So price gave us a close below, right, on Monday. On market open Friday, right, price ended the week right there, and we left in anticipation that all we're going to be focusing on is very simple: a fail to break to be bullish, or a break below to be bearish, right? So as you can clearly see, that price did what nasdaq did. Price gave us a breakout, in a break above, in a retest above, and now price is giving us those bullish momentums to the upside. So with this high marked out, that's how will be a confirmation to us to understand that with a push to the upside, creating a high, we need an exhaustion phase, right? Which is price currently on. And from an exhaustion phase, we need a continuation push phase to be bullish only if price breaks above, obviously, our high. In this instance, price have a push in an exhaustion phase. In this instance, price has a push in an exhaustion phase. We're simply looking for price to violate our higher high in anticipation of possible new higher highs on our intraday move, right? But if it happens that price pushes to the downside, then we might just wait to see what is going to happen within this very same zone. Are we going to get a violation, or is price going to fail to violate? And that's when we might look to put our money to work. But without further ado, We're gonna keep it the way we keep it on gold. If price breaks above our higher high, then we might look for those possible new higher highs, and that's what we're gonna be focusing on. Last but not least, we have USDCAD. And on USDCAD, I did tell you guys that we don't have a trade idea for this week based on how price is moving and based on how price is looking until price gives us a break above of a forward of our resistance. Then that's when we might look to put our money to work. Even though price fails to break and pushes to the downside, we still have so much traffic that price might overcome. This is traffic and this is traffic. So if we bearish, then price needs to violate those lows in order for us to look for those moves to the downside. But I did live in anticipation that we don't have a trade idea. Always simply waiting for us to see what is price gonna do. If we're gonna trade above our resistance and possibility of creating those new highs, or is price gonna fail to break and give us bear momentum so we can look for those reversals to the downside. And that's what we're gonna be focusing on 3 trading pairs that we're gonna be working on. So if you've came up and until the end of the video, all I ask of you is to leave a crown emoji just to see how many of you guys came till to the end of the video. And for the most part of it, COT Academy has opened up as 3-day mentorship courses, which is an in-person mentorship course. And for the most part of it, we have opened up our affiliation program. So I guess we're gonna take the time and the opportunity to just give us a test, to give us a WhatsApp, or just click that link down below and get quick access into our mentorship website. Or for the most part of it, if you're looking to join our affiliation program, then I guess you're gonna give us a text on WhatsApp so we can chop it up and so we can give you all the requirements that you need so you can go out there and capitalize, sell the course, and get yourself commission based on selling the course. But without further ado, this is Harlem, King COT, and we're gonna catch you guys on the next educational video. Bye for now.